In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add your friend in Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Telegram app and then go to Contacts. That's where we can easily find Invite Friends tool. We can tap on it. That will open up our contacts list which are not on Telegram yet, and then we can just by check marking our contacts in that way send them invite to Telegram. Once we have selected all the users, we can tap at invite to contacts. That will bring us to new message, and I'm ready to send it. It says, hey, I'm using Telegram to chat, join me, download it here, and the link where any user can download Telegram app. And two of contacts I have selected are already pasted here at contacts. All I have to do now is just tap at send. Also in here we can tap at share Telegram, and then we can share the link to our profile anywhere we want. We can just copy it, and then we can go to any social media platform and then just paste it to send. Let's say I want to go to WhatsApp, and then I can just in that way paste that link to that conversation. By the way, I was wrong. The link is also leads to a site where you can download Telegram. Also, we can add our friends on Telegram by their username. We can go to Telegram, contacts, and then we can search by someone's username. In that way, we can just enter username here, and it will show us the results. We can select any user, and then we'll be able to send a message to that user to start conversation. That's how you can easily add friends in Telegram.